So hello guys. So today we are going to solve the question of BitMask on CodeForces. So we have solved this question in the previous video, and today we are going to solve the absolute maximum. So this question basically says we can perform several operations on a particular number, right? And our main goal is we have to maximize the value, and we have to although minimize the value, and we want the maximum difference between that maximum value and minimum value, right? So this the question says. So uh, let's open whiteboard and see how we can solve this question, right? So in this question says, if you have given a number something like let's say you have given number something this 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? And right, and you have to find the maximum and also minimum, and then we will take the difference of that, and this will be our answer, right? So for that, for finding maximum, how we will get maximum number? If any binary number, if let's say any binary number, let's say this, when this will number, how we will convert this number into maximum number? Simple. We just replace all 0 with 1, then it will be a maximum number, right? This is the main goal. Okay, right? And if we say how we will convert it into a minimum, so obviously we will interchange all the set bit with a 0, so this will be 0 0 0, right? So uh, when we are going to convert this this number to a maximum number, our goal is convert this 0 to 1. So for converting 0 to 1, which operation we will perform? Obviously, or when we have something like 1 0 0 1, and when we take when we take the or with this 1, then it will be 1. All the bits will be 1. And how we will get all the 0? When we perform and with this number, means when we perform and operation with this number with 0, means if we have 1 0 1 0 and we want all the set with 0, so what we will do? We just take and with 0, right? Then all the elements will be 0. So this is the main funda, and how to uh, maximize the number and how to minimize the number. For maximizing, we have to take the OR operation, we have to perform the OR operation, and for minimizing we have to take the AND operation, right? So but in this situation, how we will relate this with this question? We have to and in this question we are going to basically what we are doing, we have something like 5, right? So this is 101, and we want to maximize this number, means we want to convert this number 111, right? So for converting 111, this first bit number should be 1. So in which number the second first bit is 1? If we write the binary of this is 1, this is 10, and this is 11, and this is 101, right? So simple this, if we take the if we take the OR, means we know that the when we take the OR operation with any number, means 0 1 or 1 0 something, when always we get 1, right? So uh, let's rub it first. So what we will do here, we have 5. 5 is 101. We have 4. This is 100, right? Then we have 3 1 1, and we have 1, and these things are 0. Okay. So when we perform the OR operation with all the bits, because this bit is 1, so when we have considered the 5 as a maximum, suppose, so when we take this is 1, so when we take the OR with other number, and here you can say anything appear 0 or 1, it always be a 1, so it will be 1. And in this case we have 1, yes, so it will be 1. And in this case we have 1, so it will be 1. So we get the maximum. So how we will get, because we want to convert 0 to 1, but how we will convert, because if suppose 3 is, if suppose 3 is missing in this number, in this question, if 3 is missing, then we cannot convert. Then the maximum possible number will be 5 itself, right? But 3 is present, means this bit is present here, that's why we are uh, successfully converting into the 7, right? So we what we will do here, for getting the maximum number, we will perform OR operation with all the elements in the array. And similarly, for getting minimum number, we will take AND operation with all the elements. So when we take AND, so when we got 1 0, it will be 0. In this situation we get 0, so it will be a 0, and in this situation only, so it will be a 0. So this is the main funda to solve this question, right? Okay, so let's try it. Let's go and put it. So what we will do here, we have number, right? So we have number, we have taken input as well. Now the second thing is, we will take two variable for storing the minimum and maximum. So just take maxi, where we will take the OR operation with all the elements. Let's say we have stored here the 0th element of the array, and here we are going to store the basically minimum, right? And then we perform the iterate the loop, iterate the array from, we have taken the first element, so we are starting from index 1, and I is lesser than n, and I plus plus, right? And what we will do, we will say maxi is equals to maxi or that a of I, right? And similarly with many. So yeah, so for many we are going to take and this will be a mini mini, right? So after that we got the maximum and we got the minimum, so we just print maxi minus min, right? So this will be the our answer. So let's copy the test cases. So let's run and see. So it's working fine, so let's go and submit it. Just paste it and submit. I hope it will work. Yeah, it's accepted. So we will meet with the in the next video with the next question.